How to fix Amazon shopping OTP not received. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this Amazon tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix Amazon shopping OTP not received. Whenever you are to log in into your account on the Amazon shopping app, you're always asked to verify your account, and then an OTP is usually sent to your email address. And then if perhaps this email address was not received by you and then you've tried it several times but you don't know what to do, just watch this video to the end. Now the first thing to do is to check if there is a recent update on the Amazon shopping app which you don't know about. And then how do you do this? By moving to your Play Store, and then once you've located it, click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, type Amazon shopping app, and once you type it out, the app will be displayed as you can see on my screen. And then if there's a recent update on the app, you would see the option update in place of open on the app. As you can see, you'll see update. If there's a recent update, ensure you click on update, and then once you click on it and the app has updated, just go to your settings, and then on the settings page, select app management, and then select app list, and then in the search box type Amazon shopping. All right, and then once it has loaded and it has displayed the app, click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be directed to the app info. Then on this info page, select storage and cache, and then on the storage and cache page, you'll see the option clear cache and then clear storage at the lower part of the screen. Just go ahead and click on clear cache, and then also click on clear storage. All right, once you click on clear storage, go back and then restart your mobile device, and then once that is done, come back and open the app, register, and then your OTP will be received. This is just basically how you can fix Amazon OTP not received. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.